Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa radiallahu ta'ala anha narrated that on the occasion of the farewell pilgrimage, we set out with the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Among us, some had assumed the state of Ihram for Hajj, while others, including me, had assumed Ihram for Umrah and had brought sacrificial animals with us. The Prophet ﷺ said, "Those who have assumed the Ihram for Hajj and have not brought the sacrificial animals should finish their Ihram and complete their pilgrimage. And whoever has assumed the Ihram for Umrah and brought the sacrificial animals should not finish their Ihram till they have sacrificed their animals." Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa radiallahu ta'ala anha added, "I was among those who had assumed the Ihram for Umrah and had brought sacrificial animals with them." Musnad Ahmad, Hadith number 23774.